everyone, so today I'm going to be doing a first impression tutorial on the MORPHE 35M Boss Mood palette. I picked this up because I kept seeing people do looks with this because they got it in PR, and I was like, these shades are so up my alley, so I wanted to try it out myself. And yeah, so let's just get right into the first impression. I will link the swatch video I did up in the cards. Make sure to go follow my Instagram, Makeup by Tasha XO, because I post there way more than I post here. I can't decide what type of look I want to do. I wanted to do a look with the greens, but at the same time I want to do a look with the warm tones. So I think I'm going to do warm tones on the lids and then green in the lower lash line, and then I'll do like a swap of that in a different look. Sorry about the air conditioner, but I would start sweating like a maniac if I didn't have it on, so we're just gonna have to deal with the very annoying noise. There are literally like no transition shades. I guess I'm gonna go in with the lightest brown shade, and I'm just gonna make that into my transition shade, I guess. Another thing that bothers me about Morphe palettes is there's never a mirror, so it's just a little frustrating. So I'm just gonna use my mirror from my Divinity palette by Strobe Cosmetics. Put this in the outer corner and start building it into my crease. This orangey shade right there, it's the brightest orange, and I'm gonna just start building that up, and we'll see how this builds and blends. Yes, I'm using the JH32 to add and begin to blend that shade. I know I could use a eyeshadow brush, but I'd much rather use a blending brush because you get a lighter application and it's a lot easier to blend out. Do you ever get random acne and you're like, where did you come from? Because that's how I feel today. Today I actually wanted to film with the Sultry palette. It's currently out for delivery, but unfortunately I felt like doing my makeup and I didn't want to wait because I didn't know if I'd have time to film. So I'll be doing a look with that palette tomorrow probably. Do any of you guys have to deal with watery eyes? Because I know I do, and it's a pain in my ass. Once again, I'm gonna go in with my JH30, and I'm just gonna go with that clean, and I'm gonna blend. Oh, I got my MRI results back, and they came back clean, which is great. I guess I had some light spots on my frontal lobe, so they wanted to check that out. I'm still gonna see a neurologist, I guess, because they want to follow up and just, you know, make sure everything's good. I've been having pretty bad short-term memory loss though. I'm gonna take my JH33 and I'm just gonna pack on that orange shade, and I'm gonna build that. So I think I'm gonna go in to this darker orangey shade, and then I'm gonna go into this more mauve-y shade, and I'm just gonna use that to build into the crease. I'm gonna go in with my JH30, and I'm just gonna blend that out. I'm just going to take this Tarte eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to go in with the original orange color, and I'm just going to pack that in the, oh, there was glitter on there. But I'm just going to take my fluffy brush and just blend and blend and blend. I'm going to apply that to the center of my lid. It's pretty. I definitely think this is a shade that I'll use wet because it has glitter particles in it, but it's very, very pretty. I do like this shade a lot. I definitely think this is probably one of my favorite shades. Okay, so I've done my face makeup. If you're wondering what lipstick I'm wearing a Too Faced matte lipstick from their holiday mini foursome. For highlighters, I'm wearing like a bajillion. I'm wearing Opal's Highlight Palette by Lime Crime, ABH Aurora Glow Kit, and Kat Von D Thunderstruck. So let's finish this eye look. This light green, and I'm just gonna put that on my lower lash line. I'm going with my JH40 and blend that out. And I'm gonna take that original orange shade and I'm just gonna blend that too. I'm going to take my JH35 and I'm going to just use this and blend. I'm gonna go do liner and mascara and I'll be right back.